Hello, my little chefs and breakfast lovers. Are you looking for a breakfast snack that's crispy, sweet, and made with love? Today we're making homemade cake rusk. It's like biscotti's fun cousin, and it's a total win for kids' breakfast or snack time. So get your aprons on, and let's get started. Now, before we begin, don't forget to check out for all the ingredients we used on this cake recipe in the descriptions box below. And make sure you like this video and share this recipe with your friends. Now, before we start baking, let's crack our eggs into a bowl. You can use 3 to 4 eggs. It's all about your choice. But for me, I'm using 3 eggs on this recipe. And once that is done, whisk them till they're nice and fluffy. Now add sugar, melted butter, and vanilla. Mix it till it's creamy like a milkshake on a sunny day. Now sift in your butter and baking powder. Mix them together with your egg, but don't overdo it. Make sure you mix them together till it gets smooth. We're making cake, not Play-Doh. Now pour your mixed egg into a greased loaf pan. Are you surprised why our egg mixture has become so thick? Don't worry, we just added a little flour into it to get that thickness we are looking for. You can do the same if you want. Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 35 minutes. Stick a toothpick in. If it comes out clean, it's ready to party. All right, the cake is done and cooled. But wait, we're not stopping here. Now we're turning this into crispy cake rusk. Let the cake cool completely. Now here comes the magic. Slice it up like mini cake sticks. Look at that, guys. Isn't this so yummy and delicious? Now we are going to lay the slices flat on a baking tray. Look at this golden, crispy, and ready to crunch. Trust me, your kids will be so amazed with this simple dry cake recipe that you have just created in your own kitchen. Try this recipe and let me know your favorite way to munch them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kid-friendly recipes from our kitchen to yours. Happy baking, everyone. Until next time, I still remain your humble friend, Vic.